The Federal Reserve, Origins, Control, and Accountability. In 1910, a secret meeting on Jekyll Island led to the creation of the Federal Reserve, a system that today is the most powerful economic decision-maker. Is not a company. Is not a federal agency. Is not accountable to voters or shareholders. The opposition to central banking. The U.S. has a long history of central banking debates. Thomas Jefferson opposed it, warning that private banks controlling currency would strip people of their wealth. The Articles of Confederation allowed Congress to print money, leading to rampant inflation. The U.S. Constitution corrected this by granting Congress only the power to coin money. Despite past failures, the Federal Reserve was established in 1913 and remains intact due to its design and government backing. The creation and power of the Federal Reserve. To secure its survival, the Federal Reserve Act was passed, with President Woodrow Wilson signing it into law. Though created by Congress, the Fed operates with significant autonomy, particularly in monetary policy, which it controls via balance sheet management, printing money to buy assets, setting interest rates, influencing borrowing costs. This power is exercised by the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, composed of 7 Board of Governors members, appointed by the President and confirmed by the Senate. 5 Reserve Bank presidents, chosen through an election process dominated by big banks. While technically private, major financial institutions influence Reserve Bank selections, with Citibank holding 42.8% and J.P. Morgan Chase 29% of shares in the New York Federal Reserve. Who profits from the Federal Reserve? The Fed's profits are distributed as follows. Member banks receive a 6% annual dividend. The U.S. Treasury receives excess profits after expenses. However, the Fed is currently running at a loss, meaning it is not sending money to the Treasury but instead printing money to cover its expenses. Can Congress end the Federal Reserve? The Federal Reserve exists because of Congress. If Congress chooses, it can abolish the Federal Reserve, impose restrictions and increase transparency, audit the Fed's balance sheet. Although private bankers conceive the Federal Reserve, Congress controls its fate. If the American people seek a return to a monetary system free from central bank control, the answer lies in holding Congress accountable. Stay informed, and thank you for watching.